हाँ.
Full.
Hmm.
Okay. So, okay. Good morning, everyone. So we are going to start with a demo class of IGCSE year, that is from the Cambridge University. The biology topic under which we are going to study about transport in animals. Right. This is our syllabus code. 0610 is the bio code here for the IGCSE, under which the topic is transport in animals. So let's see basically what is the transport here. Now transport is something which is like movement, right? Something which is moving. Where it is moving? In animals. So basically movement of what is moving actually inside our body, something which is in a liquid form. Of course, the something which is in a liquid form is either the blood or it's the water, right? So transportation or nothing but the movement of the blood or water within animal body is now actually the topic name is transport in animals, right? So what is moving? We'll see this water movement in excretion topic, whereas at present we'll see the 9th chapter, transport in animals, and that is the movement of the blood. Okay, so let's move with the topic here, and there we have with this. So first thing, we know that the organ which actually circulates or move the blood is heart. Now different organisms have different kind of chambers or different kind of heart related to the size. Let's see, the first thing that we have in our syllabus is the first one, fish, right? So you have, great. In pandemic also she is laughing, right? That's a good thing. Okay, so we have basically a fish, an aquatic animal. Now, these aquatic animals, how do they transport the blood? They transport the blood with the help of course, what is present here? Okay, so what they have here is gills, right? Now, gills are the thing which actually take in, like when they take water, so from the water they take in the oxygen, right? And through this component only they will give out CO2 also. So CO2 goes in, sorry, O2 goes inside and CO2 goes outside. This is how the process takes place. So let's see what happens here. So once the water enters in the gills, filtration takes place. They have two chambered heart. So oxygenated blood goes through the body, enters to the capillaries, and from the capillaries, once the metabolic activity is done, the deoxygenated blood, that is CO2 rich blood, again goes to the gills, and then it is the respiration process or metabolic activity process is done. So oxygenated blood to the capillaries, throughout the body, circulation, diffusion. Once the metabolic activity is done, CO2 is again given back to the gills, and with the help of the gills they are again removed out. So this is what happens in a fish. That's why this type of circulation in fish is known as single circulation. Okay, single circulation, because the blood is coming once only in the heart. The heart that the fish are having is double, that is we call as double chamber. So what are the chambers here? Okay, the chambers that the fish is having is, one is auricle and the second one is ventricle. So if you see the heart of a fish, it is basically divided into two parts. One is the auricle and second one is the ventricle. Oxygenated blood goes to the ventricle, then deoxygenated blood from the ventricle goes to the auricle, and then out of the body. This is a single circulation, double chambered heart, and just an auricle and ventricle. Okay, so as the evolution took place, these two chambered heart, okay, has evolved to 3 and then 4 chamber, and that is with mammals. Basically, mammals are having 4-chamber heart. We will learn about how to remember, because most of the students get confused with auricles. What is the left auricle is doing? What is the function of the uh, ventricle, right? Which will take oxygenated blood, which will take deoxygenated blood. Next movement is like the confusion process here. First one is oxygenated, deoxygenated. Second one is what is the function of auricle and ventricle, and most important part is arteries and veins. Arteries and veins. What are arteries and veins are doing? Which artery is carrying oxygenated blood? Which artery is carrying the deoxygenated blood? So that is a simple technique. We'll see in the next class. Till that time, just remember about the circulation. That is a single circulation that we studied in the fish, right? A single chambered, double chambered heart will be there. As we have seen here, single circulation is there, only auricle and ventricle. As we move to the next topic about the human, we will see the how circulation takes place in mammals, and we will have some tricks and tricks to learn about the arteries and veins. Thank you for joining the class, and meet you in the next video. Bye.